Hey guys, it's Kevin Eddington, your GSG paint guy. I'm going to be going over the PPS 3M paint disposable cup system, and we're going to talk about the differences between the old system to the new 2.0 system. 3M came out several years ago with the PPS Cup system, and it helped to eliminate waste. It sped up the cleaning time for your painters whenever they had to clean their paint guns. So very cool, neat system, but there's some changes that are happening and coming down the pike, and I just wanted to go through and show you some of these changes real quick. So the original PPS Cup system, you had your adapter with whichever spray gun that you used. You have to have an adapter, but you have your adapter, the hard cup, the ring for the hard cup, then you have the disposable cup and the lid with the filter in it. So of course you put it together just like normal, paint in it, and there you go, you're ready to go with it. So here are some of the changes that are happening. One of the first changes that you're going to see is that you have to have a new adapter. The adapters have changed. 3M did do a pretty good job though of keeping the number the same. So if you have a number 40 currently, you have a number 40 with the new 2.0 PPS system. They are referring to the old system now as the legacy system and the new system as the 2.0. So they do not interchange, keep that in mind. The new 2.0 system, you still have a hard cup, you've still got the liners, and you now have a different kind of ring slash lid that is built in. Here is your disposable ring and lid that goes with this system now on the 2.0. One other thing to keep in mind, besides that the adapters are different, the way that it's packaged is a little bit different. As it comes to you in the original package with the legacy, you open it up, you get the liners, you get the disposable lids, and then the hard cups, you purchase the hard cups separately. So with the new system, the part number is almost the exact same. It's just a 2 in front of the number now. The old number is 16,000, new number is 26,000. So that's some of the new. As you open it up, one of the nice changes to help you save money is the fact that the hard cup comes with a new one every box. So you get a hard cup that you don't have to purchase separate. It comes with it in every box, along with the lids and the liners. One other little thing that you're going to see that's different is you do have mixing ratios that are imprinted already on your cups, where before you would have to use a stick or you would have to use a slip-in liner. You now have your 3M PPS cup with the mixing ratios already imprinted. For more information, go to gogsg.com or contact us, and we will help you through the process of changing from the 3M PPS Legacy over to the 3M PPS 2.0 series. Thank you. Have a good day.